Which of the following polynomials is not guaranteed an absolute minimum? So we have a bunch of polynomials here, and you need to be guaranteed an absolute minimum. Now, even degrees, like you or like you, can't give you absolute anything. So my leading term cannot be odd. So I have to make sure of that. Now, if it's going to have an absolute minimum, there's two even types, okay? That is a positive leading even, so positive even leading coefficient, leading term rather, but that gives us minimum, so that is what we want. A negative even leading degree is going to look like that. So what we want is we want to have a positive even leading term. Okay, so could be you. Okay, that's going to look like you. Oh, but you know what? We want the one that's not guaranteed. Oh, this definitely will have one, so we're not going to choose you. Let me see. Positive even leading coefficient. Yeah, so that won't work either. Ooh, negative even leading coefficient, which means you're going to look like you. So you're not guaranteed an absolute minimum. You're my answer. But just to double check, my leading coefficient, my leading term is x to the 8th, which is even and positive. Don't want you. The answer is C.